Welcome to Talk of the Town. Have you heard of the Rolling Cow Creamery? Well, it's located at Tanger 1 next to Saks, and we have its owner, Tim Sneath, with us now. Hey, Tim.
Hey.
I like your shirt and your hat. So, Rolling Cow Creamery, is this your idea? Tell us how it got started.
So, rolled ice cream is a relatively newer thing coming into the U.S. It came out of Thailand originally, and it's referred to as pan-fried ice cream or Thai-fried ice cream, but it's commonly referred to as rolled ice cream. And I've been sitting there, and I was like wanting something to do on the side when I was working EMS, and I was like, well, I'll do a food truck, but I want to do something different.
Right.
So I seen rolled ice cream done, and I was like, I love this concept, but there's so much available to do with it.
Right.
And I was like, I want to do something more, and I can be more creative. It's like being a chef and you create your own dishes.
Right, right.
I can make any flavor ice cream you can ever imagine.
So stop a second. Did you just say that you worked as an EMS, as
Yeah.
I was doing emergency services?
Yeah, I was doing private transport.
Oh my gosh! So you talk about very different. And then you got in the food truck business for how many years? 4 or 5 years?
I ran the food truck for 4 years.
Was that also the?
Yeah, it was strictly rolled ice cream. I did, like in the winter, I would do hot chocolate and hot apple cider. But my core product is, of course, the rolled ice cream.
So take us through the steps.
So rolled ice cream it's the most simplified, I don't want to say healthy, because ice cream is, not sugar, but it has no crap in it, the rolled ice cream. Mm-hmm. So like the store-bought stuff, you get gums, you got emulsifiers, you got binding agents that make ice cream stay ice cream.
Right.
Rolled ice cream is simply, is only cream and condensed milk.
Okay, and no sugar?
Sweetened condensed milk.
Yeah, sweetened condensed milk and cream.
So in retrospect, the core of the ice cream is just pure ice cream.
Okay.
No extra stuff.
Okay.
And then I add in whatever ingredients to make
the flavors.
Special flavors. One of my signatures is May River Sharkberry. It's from May River High School, because I'm a big supporter of May River. It's a blue raspberry icy cookie that is turned into ice cream. So I take the cookie, I grind it up, add it into the ice cream, mix it, lay it out flat, and it freezes. Then it's rolled and stacked into a cup.
So you roll it out, and then it's flat, and then you roll it?
And then roll it.
And then you put it in a cup?
Then I stand it up into a cup. And then it's whipped cream, decorations, make it all fancy.
Now you said this came from Thailand.
Yeah.
And so is this something that is now taking over the United States more and more?
It's getting more and more popular. It's mostly in like the larger cities.
Okay.
In this area, there was only one other place in Savannah that did it, and from what I heard from somebody just recently, they had closed down. So this is the only rolled ice cream you can get anywhere in the Lowcountry area right now.
Does the ice cream, you said they're like the store-bought, it has all the emulsifiers and gums and all
binding
that.
agents.
Can you definitely tell a difference in the taste?
Yeah, mine is a lot richer and creamier.
Okay.
So, the other thing about traditional ice cream is when it's churned. So you churn a bunch of air into it.
Okay.
That's what makes ice cream fluffy. It's the air that's churned into it. Well, there's no air in mine, so it's a thick, rich, solid ice cream. But with going to the store, which was the goal of opening a store, is we took it, me and my wife and my son, we said, okay, what can we bring in to make it even more fun? So we brought in Boba tea and Boba drinks, which are same thing. It came from Thailand originally. And if anybody knows Boba, Boba is extremely popular. There's Boba everywhere.
What is Boba?
So Boba is either a tea-based drink or more of a milky mixed drink that has pearls in it.
Oh, yes.
And
the
pearls,
tapioca?
Yeah, tapioca or popping pearls.
Right. Bubble tea.
Bubble tea. But that's what...
Yes, I love it.
Boba is what the actual pearls are.
I had it for the first time like a couple of weeks ago. And it's really tasty.
Yeah, we did this. My son's autistic, so well, my stepson is autistic. But the concept was,
Yes.
you know, something he
Right.
can do if
Very
all
good.
else fails, he can have a business too.
And so make sure to check out the Rolling Cow Creamery at Tanger 1. And besides ice cream, rolled ice cream, and the bubble tea, there are soups and sandwiches and all kinds of other menu items for your liking. So again, the Rolling Cow Creamery at Tanger 1.